Welcome to AI Newsland, your source for the latest in artificial intelligence. Get ready for groundbreaking news and insights. Stay informed, stay ahead. Hey everyone, I want to share something super cool. The brand new FLUX context model by Black Forest Labs. What makes this AI stand out? It's the first model that processes images and text at the exact same time, and it's crushing it when it comes to super precise image edits and restoring old, faded photos. People are already saying this thing is insane. Think consistent faces, characters across multiple images, microscopic level changes to specific objects, and incredibly fast results. If you've heard of GPT-4o, imagine that, but way more powerful. Here's the kicker. This tech is perfect for creating a super simple tool to restore and enhance old family photos. Imagine charging just $2 per photo with free before and after examples to show off. For all the coders or AI fans in the comments, this is your chance to build a side hustle. If you try it, drop your project in the comments. I want to see what you make. Seriously, this could be the next big thing. What do you think? Let me know down below. For more up-to-the-minute AI news and updates, please like and subscribe.